obviously, like every player, I'm really eager to go back on the field and actually start practicing. Game is like abhi dur ki baat hai. First, I'm really eager to go on the ground because in Pune the situations were so bad that we were not able to go on the ground daily to practice. So I'm really looking forward to start at least gym sessions or practice. Yeah, I was training during the lockdown because without any exercise, I cannot even eat or sit in one place. So I was training, and the gyms were not open, but I had managed to get some dumbbells at home from the gym before it. We had very little time before everything was shut. So in that period, I managed to do something. So with that, I was in touch with some of our trainers or anything, and I was training a lot. Fitness wise, I think not fitness wise, but in general, I think I worked on my patience. I was like I'm not used to staying with my family for such a long time, and as it is, I used to stay with my parents, and during the lockdown I had to shift with my grandparents and my some like my cousins and everything. So all of a sudden I was among 9 people. So I was not very comfortable in the beginning, but slowly, they really what I can say, because of them I could really settle in a different environment and come out of my comfort zone. So that helped me in my patience part. So that was the best thing that has happened in this lockdown. First of all, that stuck feeling was never there or at home also. Like first 2-3 days were really difficult, but after that I never really felt that I'm stuck. Like I was, in one way I was very lucky that I had some relatives to fall back on. So entering the bio bubble is like a new experience, and as I entered my family, it is the opposite, but it is a new experience. So as long as we are learning new things and adapting to them, it is fine. Like it is, I enjoy different things and new things in life. Yeah, I think that was way before, like 1 or 2 years ago. But I think that's what I told him, that I've really developed on that patience part, because we cannot really do anything now, and I don't feel that I'm stuck, and I'm doing a lot of things here and there. I don't, as you said, I don't even sit in one place. So I keep moving around and doing my workouts, and I study. Then I play music. I learn some dance videos. I see some dance videos and I learn them. So I keep on doing something constantly. I cannot sit idle. That remains constant. Yes, I have for some reason I have been watching cricket, because I don't watch it regularly, but I think after many months there is something like to watch on the TV, and everyone at home is really keen, and they enjoy watching cricket. So because of them, again I have started watching all the games, and my relatives used to say that you have to watch. If in case you have to go there and play, you need to have some kind of knowledge about the ground or the weather conditions, pitch, wickets or whatever. So I have been watching I've seen couple of games. So I've watched from the first ball till the last, and that is a record. So uh, some things yesterday we also discussed among our team members, like we cannot meet each other, but we have Zoom meetings and everything. And there also we discussed about the weather conditions. Now for the last few months we have been at home completely, and we have lost track of the weather outside. Like we don't even know. Adaptation is not a problem for us because we have been playing for a long time, but there is certain amount of humidity over there, and that might be a big change for us, because for the last 14 days we'll be in quarantine now, because here also we are in quarantine, and indirectly we are in the AC only. So we like I try
Yeah.
to like I'm trying to adjust accordingly, like and the wicket might, like, we are playing in Sharjah, so the wicket seems a bit slow. So we have certain amount of days before we go into the into the tournament. So before that we'll try to adjust to according to the situation and wicket. Like the main goal is always is to play and win. So I don't think about any individual achievements or anything, but I think the main point is to like get back into the rhythm, or get back into like match practice, because we've not been in like playing anything this year. The season has not yet started. So the first, I think, more than the matches, the practice sessions will be crucial to get back on the field and to get back into that routine. So that is the main goal, like going back to the main original routine, and then obviously the match part we have to win. The main goal is to win. Other than that, I don't have any goal. Not yet, because nobody really knows that who has been practicing or who has been in touch. Like while talking, we can say that yes, I have been in touch or whatever, but that will be seen when we enter the ground. So according to that, I think the team combinations will be fixed. Before that, nobody can really comment on anything of that sort.